Hello everyone! Welcome to my video. Today we're here at Skin Aesthetics by Axel Ross. There is a Roosevelt Street to Lick, and we'll be having my second session for my micro shading, combi brows, which is micro shading and microblading siya. So thank you so much for sponsoring this the both sessions, Axel Rose. So naadi siya diri sa kilid ron, dili siya mapakita. But later on we'll be showing you some of the highlights sa atong process na i-undergo tonight. So gabi na ron guys, because they're open 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. You just need to make sure you book your appointment before coming here sa iyahang clinic. Okay guys, so update na anesthesia ang atong kilay karon kay of course sakit na siya if way anesthesia kay blade na inyoha nga timanon. So mo na later on ipakita na mo ang finished product. So mag-create po og video si Axel Ross na i-post sa iyang page and ato na i-share sa atong page pod. But if naamoy inquiries like how much ang combi brows di ay kay microshading and microblading siya 3,000 pesos siya. So microblading is 3,000, ang combi brows, microshading ug microblading na siya 3,000 gihapon. Ang ombre brows kay 2,000 pesos. Naapod siya eyelash extension which is free sa inyong brow services until November 5. So, book ahead na jud mo para ma-fully book na si Axel Ross. And if you have any other questions regarding the process whatsoever, preparation, please message her Facebook page which is Skin Aesthetics by Axel Ross. So, hi guys! Mauna ni ang finished product sa ato ang microblading plus microshading is equal to combi brows. And once again, 3,000 pesos ni if you want to avail this from Skin Aesthetics by Axel Ross. So, muna siya. If you have any inquiries, please once again, do feel free to message mo to siya ang Facebook page. Skin Aesthetics by Axel Ross sa Facebook. So, thank you so much Axel Ross for the time and for your sharing your skills and talent through making my brows today, which will last of course for 1 to 2 years depending on the skin ninyo o sa inyong pag-alaga sa inyong brows. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can support my page and also Axel Ross.